Hi everyone. Hi Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do some scavenger hunting. Now I have my list and all my stuff here. And all we have to do is do some gluing. Okay. So first we're going to go with a cancel stamp. I'm going to just go to the back of my book. No, I'm going to start over here. So in my arsenal here, somewhere, I have a canceled stamp. And here we go. So this is number 1. And I will label each item as I go. So I'm going to cut these out. Just trim them a little. There we go. And we're going to glue them in. Just glue, 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 glue. There we go. Stamps are in. Let me cut that one out and glue that one on there. That way I know which ones I have and which ones I need to get. We got the canceled stamp here. Next one, whoops. We're going to glue over here. Now, our next one, we have the candy wrapper. So, we're going to see down the line here. Candy packaging here. I'm going to try to get through as many as I can without going over the time that I want for myself. I'm going to put that over here. And right on top, we're going to put the word. Or words. Oh, look, I got another. Well, yeah. I'll count that as a canceled postage. And I'll put it on that page. Like so. Next, we have a dinner receipt. So I'm going to cut off some of the info here. There. And let me check if there's any other info that I need to cut off. There. And we can glue this one on. We'll glue that one right here. And we're going to look for the word here. I think it was labeled as a food receipt. I don't know. Do y'all see it anywhere? I know it was on here when I was searching for my stuff, but now I can't find it. Right here. grocery receipt. Okay, put that right on there. Now I'm going to go to the middle of my book, right about here. I'm going to do some more. Now I'm going to cut these out before I put them on. So I'm doing a pocket, a page of hearts, and a repetitive pattern. So I'm going to go on here. Page of hearts is right here, and repetitive pattern is right below it. So we got those two, and we need the pocket, which was add a pocket. Here we go. Add pocket is right here. Right here. Okay, so I'm going to put those three on. Let me split this one in half. And then we're going to go with the repetitive pattern first. I'm going to put that over here. And page of hearts, repetitive pattern. Right there. I'm going to put that right on here. Then we're going to take the page of hearts and put it right at the bottom. Like so. And get our page of hearts word here. And put it right there. Now see, I need more glue here. Well, now it's not sticking. Okay. There we go. This one has one part that is up. Now we're going to do our pocket here. Put her over here. Now we're going to put our word right there. Okay. Now, put our glue away. We're going to look for some more. Illuminated heart, fabric, and fingerprint. That's our next three. We have fingerprint right here. We need fabric, fiber, or fabric. Illuminated letter. Now all we need is the fabric. And fabric and fibers. Right there. There. Now we're going to put these three in. Let's see, yep. But I want to go to a different part of the book. We're going to go over here. There's the fingerprint. And this is the one that I want. I'm just going to put my glue and put that right across there. And then we'll have our fabric here. With some of the fibers coming out of it. We're going to put that over here. Fabric and fibers. Right there. And then we have the illuminated letter, which we can stick over here. And glue this like that. Okay, so we're going to try for 3 more. And I'm going to put it over here, right on top of the page, book page. So we have the purple page, and then create an ad and post-it note. So I already see my post-it notes here and my purple page. Okay, so we have those 2 done, and all we need is create an ad, and I found it. Okie dokie, we got those. Let's glue those on in. Put the post-it here. Oops. I have no idea what just fell, but that's okay. We're going to glue our post-it word here. Whoops. That's upside down. And post them right there. And then we're going to do with our ad. We're going to put the ad over here. And then get our word. Put our word down here. Like so. And I'm going to do the purple page on this side. Like so. Purple page. Now see, it's still not dry, but that's all right. We can still put her in and put that like that. Okay, so that's it for now. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so already, please do hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.